Let's talk staging. But don't worry, I'm not telling you to spend thousands. You can actually stage with what you already have. Hey there, I'm Christina Sparks, realtor with Real Broker, owner, House of Sparks. The goal of staging is to help buyers see themselves living in your home. And that starts with 3 simple steps: declutter, organize, and then use what you already own to stage your house. The first thing you want to do is remove anything personal. Think family photos, cluttered countertops, toys, mail, stuff like that. This is also a good time to throw out expired pantry foods and clean out medicine cabinets. I personally have found that the medicine cabinets and the pantry are always in need of a little straightening up or declutter. You can even take it a step further and remove items that you don't use on a daily basis. Think seasonal clothes, dishes, bakeware, decor, toys. You're gonna move, right? So start packing. Next, you want to organize. So organize your spaces so that they feel open and functional, which could be closets, hall closets, bathroom closets, bedroom closets, so that they look roomy and you can really tell how big they are. And arrange your furniture to kind of show off the flow of the home, the best flow of the home. And then use what you already have. This can be throw pillows, mirrors, rugs. Small touches can make a huge difference. The goal here is to have your buyer envision their stuff in your house. So the less stuff that you have, the less clutter, the easier it is for them to picture their couch and dining room table and all of that stuff in that property. Sometimes we'll bring in a few accent pieces, maybe greenery or something like that, but 90% of the time we're working with what you already own. And it's really not about perfection, it's just about presentation. Do you want a free home prep checklist? Comment stage below and I will send one your way. Have questions? Feel free to reach out. You know I'm happy to help any way that I can. Have a great day.